Hey everyone, just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to claim the villains. So go to our official website and then connect your wallet, and once you connect your wallet, navigate to the villain collection from the main menu. Once you get to this page, it's gonna take a few seconds, maybe a minute, to check how many villains you can actually claim. And once the verification is complete, you are going to see the claim button. So right now on this account I have 12 Satoshis, and it says that I can claim 12 villains. So all villains are claimed at once, so you cannot go one by one, but in any case, once you see this button, just click mint, and the MetaMask is gonna prop for the transaction, and all you have to do is confirm the transaction, and the villain's gonna be minted. So for 12 villains, the gas estimate is about 0.05 Ethereum total, and the gas at the moment is 14. So if you get a little bit cheaper gas prices, that might be even less. So that's pretty much it. Once you're ready, just click confirm, and the villains are gonna appear here, and then on open sea. That's it.